Here's how you activate your driver profile on BMW's iDrive 8 system. Now this new iDrive 8 system you're gonna find in all of our brand new vehicles, the X5, the X6, the X7, the 7 Series, the 3 Series, the 4 Series. Almost all of our cars are on the new iDrive 8 system. So here is how you log into your driver profile. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to log into your driver profile on the new iDrive 8 system. Now on your iDrive 8 menu, you want to come over here to main menu, and then you want to go to where it says BMW ID right there. And then over here, you can add in with BMW ID, and then you have different login ways. Now you can log in with your BMW ID, just type in your email. Once you typed in your email, then you type in your password. Then you also, the easier way is to log in via the BMW app. It's going to generate this QR code. Once the QR code is generated, you come over here and you come to your BMW app, you enter in my BMW, enter in your PIN or your Face ID. Now I'm just in demo mode right now because I don't actually own this vehicle, but what you want to do is go down to the person down here, come up to the little gear up at the top here, and then you're going to go scan QR code. Now the camera's going to pop up and you can just go ahead and scan that QR code. Almost done. Checking the ID, adding the vehicle to my driver profile app. There we go. Then we're going to continue up here. We're going to continue. We are going to set up the pin 0000 for now. 0000, and then we are going to link the key to the driver's key that's in my pocket, link the vehicle key. Now everything is set to the vehicle key, so all my settings are going to link. So as soon as I hit unlock with my vehicle key, it's all going to be onto this driver profile. Then I'm going to hit continue. We're going to set up the basic functions, and then you can go into and set up your mobile devices, your privacy settings, and your personal assistant. But that is basically what I want to show you guys with adding in your driver ID. Just like that, you can come up here, you can go into settings, you can manage your profile picture, you can set the profile picture, lots of different ones to choose from here. You can do driver recognition, where you can go through, you can change the PIN if you wanted to, sync the BMW ID. So if you're coming from a previous BMW, you can just automatically sync it to your settings, first name or last name for that. And then if you want to add in another one, you just go to add, or if you want to manage and delete, you come over here and then you can just remove that driver profile. And then once you've done that in your BMW app, you're going to see the vehicle is going to show up here under your BMWs. Let's let it read though. There we go. 2024 X6 40i with an M Sport package. Select that, and then you can activate your remote engine start. Now your driver profile is very important to have because it allows you to have up to 2 people inside the vehicle. So all of your settings are going to be saved to your driver profile. So it's not only just your seat settings, your steering wheel settings, but it's also your ambient lighting, your climate control system, your safety systems. Everything is going to be set to that driver profile, and the driver profile also allows you to activate that valet mode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, if you guys are in the Toronto marketplace and you're looking to purchase this or any other BMW, feel free to reach out to me at my email down below. Hope you guys found this video useful. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.